Hello everyone. In today's video I am going to explain one expression which is day in, day out. You can also call it as day in and day out. Let's begin our video. So here is the expression day in and day out. It means every day and all day long. When you are doing something again and again constantly, you can use this expression to show that thing. Now let's see the synonyms. You can find the synonyms like all the time, relentlessly, non-stop, 24/7. Here are some examples for your better understanding. First one is, we all need a break from stress which we feel day in, day out cause of hectic life. We all need a break from stress which we feel day in, day out cause of hectic life. Second sentence, Amit doesn't like to do the boring office work day in, day out. Amit doesn't like to do the boring office work day in, day out. Third sentence, life feels boring during this lockdown when you don't have much to do day in, day out. Life feels boring during this lockdown when you don't have much to do day in, day out. Fourth one, I am overloaded with work every day, so it's common for me to be in stress day in, day out. मतलब पूरा दिन मैं स्ट्रेस में रहती हूँ ज़्यादा ओवरलोड की वजह से. I am overloaded with work every day, so it's common for me to be in stress day in, day out. Fifth one, I used to drink tea day in, day out. I used to drink tea day in, day out. Sixth sentence, youngsters are just addicted to social media that they don't pay attention to any other thing and just keep staring mobile screens day in, day out. This sentence you can use or you can take it as a reference for the essay where you have to give justification about mobile phones or bad effects of mobile and internet on children. Again, I repeat, youngsters are just addicted to social media that they don't pay attention to any other thing and just keep staring mobile screens day in, day out. Last one, my parents just find faults in all my work day in, day out. My parents just find faults in all my work day in, day out. I think you understand this expression and how to use in daily communication. That idea also you got. So if you like this video, then please like button. If you are new, subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Thank you for watching.